So, as you see, it's Timmy. We did Timmy's windshield. It's a little bit later from when we filmed the video. We did Timmy's windshield because, as you remember, it was cracked. So, here it is.
You want me to do it?
Nah, just you gotta keep going. I always try to push it. You don't ever want, like, you gotta, when you get to like the back corner over there, you know, we'll probably leave the middle.
Yeah, be patient. Stab the glass, yeah, just sweep it off, put this one in.
Yeah, this is original glass. Don't, you know, we're saving this.
Yeah, don't ruin it.
Yeah, we're framing it.
We'll get on Wade's side. I can grab from the front.
Oh, so try to pull it completely out of the... There we go.
But see, now you got to figure out
How to put it in?
Well, no, I would do it with. Wait.
Oh, yeah. Like...
Yeah, like the whole corner. Yeah, see, that's what sucks. You got to put.
Thank you.
See, it screws
What is this?
to here.
Where are you at?
The trim screws into the rubber.
So when we bought this glass for you, Tim, the guy says that you have to cut it out. But then when we were taking it out, I found out that what you do is you put the rubber back onto the glass, and then on the front here, there's a piece here. So this piece here, you put the bottom trim in to hold it. That bottom trim goes into this. So then when you go to put the glass in, the bottom trim helps hold the glass in. So the trim and this rubber is what holds the front glass in.
If you can get it started
Who, me?
up a little higher, like
No, up higher you said.
Where are we starting?
Here
I'm
would be
grabbing the
going
corner,
here.
I'm opening it up here like this. And then now it's kind of in the track a little bit.
Timmy's not even.
I don't even know where I'm supposed to.
He's not even in it. His glass isn't even lined up.
Tim, go on that side, see. Oh, pretty close, I think they lined it up.
You shouldn't have lifted it.
Where's all these folks?
Hello everybody, this is the end of the video. We finished the glass. It's kind of nice not having a big hole in it, but the rubber here, the guy cut it out. You actually don't need it cut out. It's kind of difficult getting the glass in the old rubber, but it still works. And yeah, that was really it.
So, as you saw, he explained, this is the end of the video. Make sure to like, subscribe, leave a comment. Thank you for hanging out with the Delashment Boys. Pew pew!